Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. I'm Steve Hirschhorn, and my workshop is called Decluttering English Language Teaching. And decluttering means going through usually one's house and one's garage and looking for things which shouldn't be there, or they're things that we've bought erroneously and never been much good. Perhaps we've received things as a gift, although that won't apply in our case here. But we have been offered things. We've been offered deals over the years as English language teachers, and many teachers have collected these things and stored them and perhaps tried to use them without really knowing what is behind them. And so what I want to try to do today is to look at some of those things, at least look at all the secondary issues that have built up around the use of some of these techniques and practices. And I want to question whether they're actually doing any good, because ultimately, over the last 30 or 40 years, nothing much has changed in terms of the speed of acquisition. I challenge anyone to disagree with that. I don't think that learners today are learning any faster than they did in the 80s, and perhaps we can even go back before that. So something is not quite right. Something's going wrong, because we have 100 years of SLA research, and then we have 30, 40 years of adopting new ideas, adopting add-ons and extras. And somehow the two notions don't seem to join together. We don't seem to be getting any better at what we're doing. And so what I want to do is to strip away some of the stuff which is stopping us from achieving what we really should be achieving. That's what this workshop is going to be about, and I hope you'll find it interesting.